How to set up NordLayer side-to-side VPN connection on Cisco Meraki. Note, if you are unsure whether side-to-side is the best solution for you, please take a look at our remote access article first. What is more, if your device/service supports SHA-256 and DH Group 14, it is recommended to use these settings instead. This article describes how to configure a side-to-side connection between NordLayer dedicated server and Cisco Meraki device using the management interface. You must replace the example values in the procedures with the values that are provided in the configuration file. Adding a new VPN site. 1. Go to the non-Meraki VPN peer section in Security Appliance Configure Side-to-Side VPN page. 2. Select Add a peer and enter the following information: a name for the remote device or VPN tunnel, NordLayer. The public IP address of the remote device, public IP address of your NordLayer dedicated server. The subnets behind the third-party device that you wish to connect to over the VPN, 10.6.0.0/20. The IPsec policy to use, select Custom and enter the following information. Phase 1, Encryption, select AES-256 Encryption. Authentication, select SHA-1 Authentication. Diffie-Hellman Group, select between Diffie-Hellman, DH, Groups 5. Lifetime, seconds 28,800. Phase 2, Encryption, select AES-256 Encryption. Authentication, select SHA-1 Authentication. PFS Group, select Group 5 to enable PFS using a Diffie-Hellman Group. Lifetime, seconds 3,600. The pre-shared secret key, PSK. Enter the PSK you generated. We will also need this value on our end. Editing firewall rules. You can add firewall rules to control what traffic is allowed to pass through the NordLayer tunnel. These rules will apply to inbound and/or outbound VPN traffic from all MX appliances in the organization that participate in side-to-side VPN. To create a firewall rule, select Add a rule in the side-to-side firewall section on the Security Appliance Configure Side-to-Side VPN page. These rules are configured in the same manner as the Layer 3 firewall rules. You can add firewall rules to allow traffic from the NordLayer dedicated server subnet, 10.6.0.0/16, to your local network or services if you desire. Ending note, in order to finalize the side-to-side setup on our end, we will need these values: pre-shared key, you can generate it or we can provide it. Encryption details, AES, SHA, and DH Group, AES-256, SHA-256, and DH Group 14 are recommended, also must support IKF2. Remote gateway/router public IP, must be reachable while connected to the dedicated server. Remote subnet and mask, the subnet is used in your local network. Lastly, it is important to know what device used: Ubiquiti, FortiGate, AWS, Google Cloud, etc. You can provide all of these values to us securely via privnote.com. In case you are experiencing different results, make sure that you have carefully gone through all the steps. Having said that, in case the issue persists, please feel free to contact NordLayer 24/7 customer support team.